Hello and welcome to our EMO Live. Guess where we are? Well, you guessed it. It is, of course, the Kitagawa stand. And my lovely friend here, Hamish, who we met on Zoom the other day,
We did indeed, yeah.
We did, is going to talk us through what they've got on the stand. Now, the stand, we're in Hall 14, and the stand is F36. I did have to look at the stand just there, just in case. Right, okay, Hamish, what's exciting? What have you brought to EMO?
We have got so many brand new products on display at the moment. The first thing I wanted to show you would be the BR series.
When you say show me, are you just show me, or are we going to have a little bit of a do?
I think we might have a little bit of a play. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Live demonstration, it's not going to be easy. Yeah, I'd like to show you the BR series.
Yeah.
So the BR series has been around for 2 or 3 years now. I think most people are fairly familiar with it.
Yeah.
It's available in 3 or 2 jaw configurations. From 6 to 12-inch sizes. What we've done with the BR is we've accessorized it. So we've got
Why?
this.
Why have you done that?
Well, there's a number of reasons. The chuck is fantastic. It's a really revolutionary next generation power chuck. And so what we've wanted to do is build on that to give it some different capabilities for the small to medium batch production sizes.
Okay. Yeah.
So the BR series has 4 major sort of improvements to its predecessor. So improved repeatability. It offers a 10 micron repeatability as standard, which is revolutionary.
It's impressive. That's very impressive.
Yeah, so it's quite good. It has a reduced jaw lift. So when you're gripping the workpiece, the jaws naturally tend to move away from the chuck body. This has been reduced. And you can have much higher clamping force at speed, so you can machine harder and faster with your workpiece.
Right, are we going to have a little bit of...
Oh, that was 3. So
the
fourth one,
that
was 4th. It's also commonly known as the sexy chuck.
Whoa. Are we rebranding this as the sexy chuck? Right, go on then.
So we've got rounded edges, which is lovely for a chuck. We've also got a QR code on the side for instruction manuals and drawings.
For instruction manuals?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Okay, that's good. Right, okay, I am going to challenge you. So am I right in thinking, Hamish, you're going to show us a demonstration on the sexy chuck? Let me take your microphone. What's this you're picking up then?
So the first accessory is the T-Nut Plus. So you can see on the side we have these profiles which create a much tighter fit between the soft jaw and the soft jaw groove. So what this essentially means is you form your jaws, you can remove the jaws, reinstall, and still get the same 10 micron repeatability without having to reform your jaws again. So that is option number 1. That looks back. Right, so option number 2 is where I'm going to have to get my hands dirty.
I'm just throwing you into the deep end here, but that's fine. We like getting hands dirty, especially at the show. Go on then.
So this is called the BR AJCM, which is the manual version. Is a quick change. It gives it quick change capabilities. So you can see it's still got the same profiles on the T-nuts, but it's also got this section at the back, which is an adjustable stop. So if I quickly show you. So we can remove the jaw with ease, and we can reinstall. Oh, God.
You know what, whenever you're doing demonstrations, it's never, you know.
There we go. So we've reinstalled.
Wow.
And that jaw will be in exactly the same position as when I removed it, before I removed it.
You know, it is all about that kind of repeatability and accuracy, and it's time. It's about saving time, but keeping the process stable. Right, okay. Are we putting you under any more pressure, or shall I go and put Andy under some pressure?
Put Andy under some pressure.
Absolutely brilliant. Thank you so much, Hamish.
Thank you.
And we're back filming. We're back filming with Hamish on Thursday. Right. So, Andy, we've put Hamish under some pressure.
Yeah, hi. Yeah.
He did a great job, I'm sure you'll agree. So, Andy, what have we got here? Because this is kind of built purely just for the show and demonstration purposes.
Yeah, this is demonstrating our 2-jaw parallel grippers, the MPGTS. If you look on the top there, it's got an inbuilt scale. So this would normally go on the end of a robot arm, and as it's reaching into the machine to take out a component, it's actually measuring at the same time. So as it picks up the part, you can take a measurement and then feed that back to the machine and make a decision whether that part is okay and go in the okay bin, or maybe it's oversized, so it would go in the no good bin.
So it's an in-process
Yeah.
measurement system. Who needs these?
Well, anyone who's setting up an automated cell for robot loading and unloading, normally what you do is you'd have a robot arm would take the workpiece out, and then that would transport it to another measurement cell, where it would then be measured and then transported on. So you've got another. You don't need that separate inspection step in the process.
Yeah.
So you're making the whole process much more efficient, much more quicker, more cost effective as well.
And we know that when you've got an elongated process, there's risk for things to happen, things to change, whereas here, it's all in process. It's at the machine base before, like you say, you choose to do the positive or negative.
Yeah, like I said, literally as it's coming out of the machine, you get that measurement straight away, and then you can take the necessary steps to correct it. Like I say, you can also send the information back to the machine, and then the machine can then compensate for like tool wear and things like that. So then your parts coming off the machine more accurate, and
absolutely,
yeah, you get more.
We like
output.
that. Parts coming off the machine more accurate. Now,
Yeah.
okay, there's a variety here. We're not going to go into it. That's for you to come to the stand with.
Yeah.
Right, what's next, Andy?
Next, I'd like to show you this RKT 500.
You know what's so funny? The stand is cleared because everyone knows that we're filming. There's business meetings going on either end, but everyone's disappeared. Right, okay, what's next?
So yeah, this is our new RKT 500 5-axis rotary table. So we've got the roller gear cam drive in both axes, which is really good for high-speed indexing. Also, you can take larger workpieces, and it's also lower maintenance. So as you can see here, we've got a 500mm diameter plate. Normally on here, you'd have like a fixture plate, and then you'd be gripping onto your large, normally like an aluminium workpiece or something. And it's also got the inbuilt rotary joints, 7 ports, so you can have lots of different clamping mechanisms or air catch sensor stations and things like this.
All inbuilt.
All inbuilt. Well, nice and tidy and compact.
Okay,
Yeah.
and what's the USP here then, ultimately?
Well, high speed, compact design, and low maintenance. It's to go in like small, high speed tapping machines. So yeah, high volume production.
That's what we've basically covered, a lot of high volume production.
Yeah, that's
here.
what sort of Kitagawa is aiming towards, more and more solutions for automation.
I had a conversation last night just as we finish it up, and I was talking to Gio, one of the guys, obviously, one of our presenters, and he was saying that the general consensus at the show isn't just selling standards. They're finding that there's more and more project work that's happening.
Yep.
I don't know if you're finding that, but how are you, and are you addressing that, or what conversations are you having at the show?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, some customers want to just buy single components, but other customers, they want to buy a complete finished solution. So at Kitagawa, we spent a lot of time and effort being able to design these bespoke solutions with special parts locators, special jaws for gripping, more rotary joints to allow more sensors and things like that, which is all important for automation. So yeah, that's also the direction which we're going in.
I like asking one final question, and it's more on a personal level, because you said to me, don't ask me any tricky questions, but what do you like? And don't just say what you think should be said, but what do you think the customers ultimately get from Kitagawa as a brand, as a company? What service do you think is better than any other?
Well, with Kitagawa, it's still like a family-owned company, a family-run. So that allows us to really give our customers the extra time and give them lots of service support, I think, is what is important with our customers. We're really there, we're there at the end of the phone to talk to and respond to your emails as quickly as we can. So I think, it's not only the products, but it's also the people and the support and the backup, which we try to offer as well as a company, I think.
Are you enjoying EMO?
I am enjoying EMO as well. My feet are aching already.
It's Tuesday and his feet are aching.
I go home tomorrow, so
don't.
My feet will get a rest on the plane.
EMO. Oh, yeah, you will. I'll be thinking of you.
Yeah.
There you have it, Kitagawa, Hall 14, stand F36. Thank you, Hamish. Thank you, Andy.
You're welcome.
Come to the stand, it's great.